and now to that. And that's how quickly it can change, because that was really the video that you saw of me trying to coax Lily out was the day before this video, and she's been wanting out, I can tell you, but I wanted to be able to take her outside like I wanted to yesterday. Try not to pinch her skin in between that glass there, but she doesn't know, of course, that she's going to be coming outside yet. And again, it'll be picking Lily up and getting her outside. Come on. No, not up that way, darling. Out this way. Hello, sweetie. I haven't had you, well, you haven't wanted to come out for a few days, have you? Hey, would you like to come outside? Absolutely beautiful, beautiful day out there to come on outside. And of course, I need both hands, unless I can get her to go up my shoulder and around my neck, one-handed, which sometimes I can do, sometimes I can't do. But getting her before she says, oh, it is about me getting her before she says, I'm going, Mum. I've got you facing totally the wrong way there, but hey, I will spin you around and you'll see that I finally got her. Okay, let's go outside. Let's enjoy the sun. Like I said, while the sun is shining. But apart from the fact that I want to show you that, yes, yeah, there's days where Lily doesn't want to come out and days where Lily most certainly wants to come out. And today, totally what am I thinking of? Being one of those actual days, and there's a noisy somebody today, of course, that wasn't there when I came out earlier. Let me have a look and see what they're grinding. I know Lily just wants to get down on the ground. Now this is the complete opposite of a Jessie. Oh my goodness, okay, they're just grinding up tree trunks. So please excuse the noise today. Yeah, complete opposite of Jessie, this girl. She just uses me like any old tree. But she also has full understanding that Mum does not drop her anywhere either. So I've got a little bit of a shade thing here that I've got set up that I don't think Lily's been under. But I'm going to spin you around. See if I can find where she's going to go. Oh, and I'm going to have to move because I haven't got the freedom in this thing to see where she's going, do I? Well, this was a stupid idea, Gay. Really? It was a stupid idea. And I can hear my cat. I can hear my cat. I don't... Coming right up on Lil, who was up there having a good old periscope look around. I just didn't want to fall in flat on the cat's head either. No, Lily would not strike out at her at all. So I wasn't worried about that. I just didn't want the cat being right up underneath her and Lily thinking, well, where do I go from here? Except possibly on top of her I know, darling. What can you see? What are you looking at? Hey? What you looking at? Kind of in the shade, aren't we? Mum's a bit of a deal, and the cat's... That's a tail. It's Lily's tail. So what's the video about? You know, positivity. So I can't even say the word. Positivity. Total positivity. That is what our life is all about when it comes to our passion. And we want it to be positive because that's the whole thing about why we do our videos. We're passionate about something. And to show that passion, yep, it's about being positive. And sometimes, guys, and I don't want to burst any balloon at all, because that's not what I wish to do. But sometimes, guys, there's negative. And there always is going to be. But you know, it's defining the difference between what really is a negative. Is that a difference of opinions? Because we will always in our life, no matter what it is that we're doing, we'll have a difference of opinion. And I think more importantly, try to remember it's how you choose to respond to the difference of opinions. And that to me is what is most important. Degrading people is not how you do it. Because I think even with difference of opinions, you can still come out of it with a positive. If you have been respectful, polite, and sometimes agreeing to disagree, that's a positive. Still a positive. Now you all know completely and totally that I'm all for snakes' enrichment of life. You all know that I don't care what species of snake that you have. Does not make me different that I feel this way because I have carpet pythons. I believe whether you have corn snakes, ball pythons, boas, retics, whatever you have in your life, they're entitled to some enrichment. I could dispute hearing, are you hiding, Lily? You're not a hider. Well, you can if you choose to today, Dale. I don't really mind. But, you know, I believe that all snakes deserve to be able to get out and about. Whether that be in the room where they're kept, or whether that's outside in the sunshine, in the fresh air. I don't care. I believe that every snake is entitled to be able to do that. And I hear constantly, oh no, ball pythons prefer to be enclosed in little places and snug as bugs, and I'm sure that they do. I am not going to dispute the fact that I'm sure that they do. But how do you know they don't enjoy this? Out in the wild, you know, I hear they live in little holes and so forth, but they don't spend their whole life in those little holes. They don't, and it's been proven that they don't. You might find them there because that's where people go looking. They don't spend their whole life there. They go out. They hunt for their food. They don't wait for food to drop into their little hole. They'd starve. Ball pythons like to explore too. I know some are shyer than others, but not all. So people may have a difference of opinion on that, and they're entitled to that opinion, and I respect that opinion. That's fair enough. That's your view on it. This is my view on it. Whether you choose to do or don't, that's completely up to you too. But it is just how I would do it if I had a ball python in my life. So, difference of opinions, different ways of doing things, different ways of seeing things. But I can tell you guys, most definitely if you get a carpet python, this is what you need to be doing. And no, don't keep him in a tub. Yes, as a little one, you can do that for sure. And I've done one on snake homes. Still haven't put it up yet, but I will. You get a carpet python, be prepared to give them the space to be a carpet python. Let them climb. Let them come out. Let them enjoy the sunshine. They love it. And I think showing Lily and Jack, even Jessie, and well, all my snakes, even my spotted pythons, you know, my little baby Apani, who's not a baby, but you know what I mean. She may hide there with Mum, but she's only... Are you getting a big heavy girl too, Lily Lou? Sorry guys, I'm just gonna head on back this way. With Lily, and she is just down there. But yeah, we all have our opinions on things. And I'm grateful for those opinions. Yeah, I've learnt a lot. Extreme amount. Thank you to all of you, who do show your ball pythons and your breeding and who's who and what goes with what and what makes what and all the rest of it. You know, I have learnt an enormous amount, but I'm not a breeder, guys. I'm not a breeder of carpet pythons. You know, I know a lot about their temperaments and their personalities and their likes and their dislikes from having carpet pythons in my own life. But I can tell you, even then, each and every carpet python I meet is different. She says, how do I get out? Like, my goodness. Like, what is this barrier, Mum? What is that there? You'll find the opening. I'm sure you will, because you're not a stupid snake, Lily. Are you? At all. I know the other side is over there. You go find the out. Okay? Go and find the out. No? Coming back? Hey? Figure it out. I know it's very different. See, this is what I mean. It's different. She's learning. She's checking it all out. She's like, well, normally we sit out here and I can just go this way, that way and every other way, but what is this? And can I get through it or can't I get through it? She'll figure out she can't. But in the meantime, she's going to be checking it out. So guys, positivity, negativity, two polar opposites. But everything in life is. We have good days, we have bad days. So do our snakes. But forgiveness is very important in our life as well. because we will all make mistakes. We will all say something at some stage that might upset somebody. It is just the way life is. But I'm loving the positivity and keep it going. Sharing our passion. Some of us are just so passionate, but sometimes we might say something, but forgive. Just forgive. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, and these precious, precious animals that we are very, very privileged to be able to have in our life. You know, that's what I see it as. Never abuse the fact that we are privileged to have either. And all your animals. Ciao.